In a special interview with NNIS senior Supreme Court lawyer and an ex-BJP man, Ram Jethmalani suggested that Parliament should pass a legislation to enable the transfer of all the black money stashed in foreign banks back into the coffers of the nation. Speaking to us on the hot issue of black money, Jethmalani also said the recovery would have been made till now if close aides of Prime Minister Narendra Modi were actually loyal to him.
This is what some of Mr. Modi's so-called assistants want it, because they are not really loyal to him.
But when there is time for debate, all the opposition MPs staged a walkout. Now, how do you see this?
Listen, now this is all a show. They are all making a show. Nothing at all. When I mentioned in the Rajya Sabha debate, it's more than a year ago, on the Lokpal bill, I pointed out that today international moral pressure is developing in the democratic world to get rid of these so-called, what you call, the customer confidentiality laws, which are adopted by the banks. Banks are the abettors of these dacoits. Now they are under moral pressure. And the Swiss magazine, as you will find in my articles and in my book, reported 14 names of international thugs from all over the world, and their name, their photograph, their account, the amount in their accounts. And I regret to say, I am ashamed of it, that the 12th person amongst the thugs of the world was Mr. Rajiv Gandhi with $2.2 billion. And today, isn't the press in this country aware that American and British magazines are writing that Sonia is richer than the Queen of England? What have you done? You have only suppressed the truth from the people of this country. The estimate of Vaidyanathan, and I mean he's a pro-BJP man, and his experts, economic experts, he's running an economic institution, is $1,500 billion, which is equivalent to 90 lakh crores. Yes, provided there is an honest investigation. But if there are people who, according to me, are interested only in frustrating the investigation and making it impossible to recover a farthing, have they in 6 months recovered even one farthing? All the time, what the man is making a statement. The first time that he was asked in Parliament on the 8th of July, he said, "Oh, I am entering into double taxation avoidance treaty, a treaty which has no relevance to this matter. It is of great relevance to people who want to protect the dacoits." Do you know Mr. Doval? Who is he? He is the security advisor of the country. I believe that he is a very respectable man. I believe that even Prime Minister Modi has got him as a security advisor because he respects his character and integrity. Otherwise, he won't put him in charge of this very important. You read his article, which he wrote in 2011. The first proposal is that the Government of India should pass legislation by which all the black money everywhere in the world should, by operation of Indian law, be transferred to the Government of India. The Government of India should then proceed as owner, and the Government of India will have the power to decide with whom to share that money when that money comes back.
Powered by NNIS.